Hey, this is Alex. So I just want to talk a little bit more about driver statements with you. So for instance, let's say that you prepared a statement, it's ready for payment, but you want to go back and make some changes. To do that, you need to change the status from ready for payment back to preparing, so the system will allow you to make changes. And to do that, you go here, bring up the statement, go to statement status, go from ready for payment to preparing, and then hit save. And there, now we're able to make changes. So let's say we want to take off one of these loads and have it go to an unpaid load. You just click that minus button and it'll take it up here. If you need any one-time addition or deductions added, you do that right here. And so if you need to add a bonus, one-time bonus, or deduct a fine, you can do that all here. If it's for if it's reoccurring charges, we do have a video on how to create recurring charges, so definitely do that. This is just nice for just these one-time things. So let's go ahead and add a deduction here. Let's say it's the amount of $500. You can choose categories and go through categories here. We'll just keep it to other, and let's say it's a fine. Just click save, and here we go. We can see that this fine was added here. Okay, if you need to if you need to delete any of these recurring charges or these additions or deductions that you've added, you just go to this green pencil and you can just go up to remove here, hit yes, and there you go, you've taken that off. We need to remove, let's say, this insurance. We just go here, go to remove, hit yes, save, and there you go, that's off. Next, if we go up to this unpaid load, we want to see the details of how it was calculated. You just hit that, and there we go. If you need to make any changes to this load, you want to hit this hyperlink here and the load number. And as we click that, it's going to say, to edit load, please save changes in statement. Go ahead and hit OK. That's because after I made these changes down here, I didn't hit save. So just go ahead and hit save, and that allows you to continue. So now we can click on load number. And there we go. We brought up this. You can make any changes that you need to make. We'll close that. We'll go down here. And then here we can always add notes to each statement. So let's say, we add new note here, and after we made our changes, we want to just go back from preparing to ready for payment. Click that, hit save, hit close, and now we can see here we've made our changes. It's back to ready for payment. We added a note here, and that's it. Enjoy ezLoads.